Segment addition, okay? Very, very simple. All you need to know is that we have three segments in this figure. We have segment EF, we have segment FG, and we have segment EG, okay? And it's pretty safe to say that if we take from here to here and add from here to here, that means that the entire distance, it would equal the entire distance. So this EF plus FG equals the whole thing. That's why it's called segment addition, because we're adding these together, which will give us the length of the larger segment, okay? So, what does the question say? It says, if EG equals 59, so from here all the way to here equals 59, okay? It's asking you, what are the lengths of EF and FG? So why do we not know what the length of EF and FG are right now? We don't know it because we don't know what x is equal to. Once you find out what x is equal to, then you can plug it in, okay, for x, and then you will be able to find the length of EF and the length of FG, okay? So let's do it together. So in order to solve for x, we have to add this plus this equals the whole thing 59. So let's do that now. 8x minus 14 plus 4x plus 1 equals 59. Okay? So now we just have basically combining like terms and solve for the variables. So our like terms are negative, draw the rainbow, negative 14 plus 1, and we've got 8x plus 4x. So 8 now, whatever it says in front of the number, that's what you do. So this is 8 plus 4x. This is a positive 4x, but it's also plus 4x, right? It's both. So 8 plus 4x gives you 12x, and then negative 14 plus 1 is a negative 13 equals 59. Circle the x. Okay? Now, if this was a negative symbol in front of it, then it would be 8 minus 4, right? And then we would have a 4x here, if that was a subtraction symbol. Okay? We're going to add 13 to both sides. So we have 12x equals 71. Okay? And then divide by 12 on both sides. And we have x equals, wait a minute. Oh, sorry, 72. Sorry about that, 72. 6. X equals 6. Now that we know what x is equal to, okay, now that we know what x is equal to, we can take what x is equal to and we can plug it in for the x here, and we can plug it in for the x here to solve for those lengths. So we're going to put 6 and 6. So hopefully you can still see that in the video, okay? This is 8 times 6 and 4 times 6. Okay, just plug it in. So 8 times 6 is 48. 48 minus 14 gives you 34. Okay? 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So the length of EF is 34. And how can you double check to make sure that you did it right? If you add this plus this, it should give you 59. And that is segment addition.